If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Antisocial behavior is a trait of intelligence in a world full of conformists. I don't care that they stole my idea. I care that they don't have any of their own. Be alone. That is the secret of invention. Be alone. That is when ideas are born. My brain is only a receiver. In the universe, there is a core from which we obtain knowledge, strength, and inspiration. I have not penetrated into the secrets of this core, but I know that it exists. A new idea must not be judged by its immediate results. It will soon be possible to transmit wireless messages around the world so simply that any individual can carry and operate his own apparatus. The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in 1 decade than in all the previous centuries of its existence. I could only achieve success in my life through self-discipline, and I applied it until my wish and my will became one. Electric power is everywhere, present in unlimited quantities, and can drive the world's machinery without the need of coal, oil, gas, or any other of the common fuels. If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe. The individual is ephemeral. Races and nations come and pass away, but man remains. You may live to see man-made horrors beyond your comprehension. Most persons are so absorbed in the contemplation of the outside world that they are wholly oblivious to what is passing on within themselves. Most certainly, some planets are not inhabited, but others are, and among these there must exist life under all conditions and phases of development. Peace can only come as a natural consequence of universal enlightenment and merging of races, and we are still far from this blissful realization. It is not in the shallow physical imitation of men that women will assert first their equality and later their superiority, but in the awakening of the intellect of women. The progressive development of man is vitally dependent on invention. We are all one, only egos, beliefs, and fears separate us. When natural inclination develops into a passionate desire, one advances towards his goal in 7-league boots. One has to be sane to think clearly, but one can think deeply and be quite insane. Originality thrives in seclusion, free of outside influences, beating upon us to cripple the creative mind. Be alone. That is the secret of invention. Genius is its own passport and has always been ready to change habitats until the natural one is found. Science is but a perversion of itself, unless it has as its ultimate goal the betterment of humanity.